Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, guys? Records came here with another reaction. Yeah, they are going with some more trouble. Kartel again. You don't know. Pass my gun. Kartel on the funeral ceremony rhythm. Produced by Not Nice. Big up yourself, Not Nice. Big up yourself, teacher. Funeral ceremony rhythm. This was one of those songs we don't say when this drop shit problem. It was problem.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
Pimpin!
G
City.
West Bank. Niggas with it.
Gaza
Street. When Gaza march out on the
battlefield is a funeral, Israel burial. Gaza, me say.
Jamaica,
them a no gangsta, something them a try. Walk on them is like a something me a buy. Wait him up, down a mad name a try. The eagle a fly and it a picky nine guy. The boy come and tell me same tough but a lie. The whole of them scarper than a butterfly. Right now, say we make everybody like, but me can't survive cause now they have me like.
Pull up!
Yeah! Pull up! Let's go!
Oh, alright, let's go. Lyrics.
Yo, Pimpin.
Lyrics! I gotta be carried away there, I'm sorry. Lyrics! Lyrics! Let's go!
When Gaza march out on the battlefield is a funeral, Israel burial. Gaza, me say.
Hey, shut up!
Jamaica.
Time I tell us, say, yo, when Gaza march out, pan any battlefield at all, pan the battlefield, with the rifle them that they on, no matter if a handgun, have funeral, have burial, Israel style, Gaza style. That is what he's talking about right there. Violent. I love it. Let's go.
Gaza, me say.
Let's go.
Jamaica.
Them a no gangsta, something them a try. Walk on the means like a something me a buy.
Them a no gangster, brother. No. Me telling you over and over, say them boy I got good school. Them boy you got good school. Sit on a front row. Them parents are teaching at the school, so them never late once. Them are not gangsters, something them a try. Has something them a try, brother. Wanna stop for that look at that friend now. Wanna stop it, you know. Wanna stop it. You see me? Don't make your friend lead the gas chair. Them are not gangsters, something them a try. Me walk on them it's like a something me a buy, brother. A something me a buy, yes.
Jamaica, them a no gangsta, something them a try.
Where?
Walk on the means like a something me a buy. Wake him up, down a mad name a try. The eagle a fly and it a picky nine guy.
Wet him up, brother. I been not throwing no water upon him. I don't liquid that throw upon him. No. We are wet him up with black rain, bullets, corns, coppers, hollow tip, hollow points. Yeah. Don't go mad him a dry. He must say him dead, you know. And hospital him a go. Don't go mad him a go. Don't go mad him a go. Hospital, yo, lyrics.
Wake him up, down a mad name a try. The eagle a fly and it a picky nine guy. The boy come and tell me same tough but a lie.
The eagle a fly and it a pick in him eye. The desert eagle him attack. Gunshot a fly out of that and pick him in him eye. Wait.
Name a try. The eagle a fly and it a picky nine guy. The boy come and tell me same tough but a lie. The word of them suffer than a butterfly. Line up, say fi make everybody die, but me make one survive cause now they have to try.
The boy come and tell me same tough but a lie. The whole of them softer than a butterfly, a nice little insect. Soft insect. The whole of them softer than a butterfly. Them soft, them not go with nothing.
The boy come and tell me same tough but a lie.
Hey.
The word of them softer than a butterfly.
But
line up, say fi make everybody die, but me make one survive cause now they have to try.
Black Rhino, big up yourself. Rhino say fi make everybody die. The vicious art of Black Rhino say, yo, kill everything, teacher. But him said, no. Smaddy have to survive, cause Smaddy have to cry for them fool that we're dead. Maybe just injure him and send him to the hospital and come out back. Smaddy have to mourn. Cause we like when people ball. That's what the G said, not me.
Butterfly, line up,
Say if you make everybody die, don't me make one survive cause somebody have to die. Clear!
From me a little boy. She see the mark of the beast now me eye.
From Granny I tell me God church. Cause she see the mark of the beast in my eye from them time. And she said, me need it to be saved. Grandma, it's too late gone, it's too long gone. That's why Kartel said, not me, obviously. Not me.
And he said, from me, a little boy, you see the mark of the beast and
666, any girl, any guy, baby 6 foot 6 with 6 piece of ply.
Alright. He's very smart with that. He said 666. And we all know what the 666 mean. But him turn it round. Listen to him turn that round again. Listen.
666, any girl, any guy, baby 6 foot 6 with 6 piece of ply.
666, any girl, any guy, bury 6 foot 6 with 6 piece of ply. Them bury 6 foot 6 with 6 piece of ply. That's how I feel 666 mean in the song. Is it real though?
666, any girl, any guy, baby 6 foot 6 with 6 piece of ply. Short lock off, no ear supply. When punished down long gun, them raise up high.
Short lock off, breath supply top. Yeah, squeeze out. Short lock off, no more breath is coming through your nose. No, your throat lock off. When Spanish town man, them gun raise up high. Boy, Mara fly gun rain in the sky, got itch up on a black junk already the fly. Let's go.
Piece of ply. Short lock off, no ear supply. When punished down long gun, them raise up high. Boy, Mara fly gun, we in the sky, got itch up on a black junk already the fly.
Nice,
Them boy, they no know nothing but badness pass.
My gun make me beat it pass. My gun make me beat it.
Wait, if them did bad, them just did that.
Keep it the secret pass. My gun make me beat it pass. My gun make me beat it.
Them no know nothing about badness, brother. The chorus sweet like sugar. Them no know nothing about badness. If them did bad, them just did that keep it a secret. Not nice. Pass me gun, beat it. Pass it, man. Pass it. If them did bad a secret, them a keep that. Cause them no bad.
Secret pass. My gun make me beat it pass. My gun make me beat it. And if a brain pon the wall, rhino going to leak it pass. My gun make me beat it pass. My gun make me beat it.
And you're the last man standing.
Gaza undefeated. Pass. My gun make me beat it pass.
What's your second verse? Second verse.
Me no shoot boy with one matic. Dog do so quick, game 10 clip the kick.
Me no shoot boy with one matic. So I two of them I use. Two of them I use shoot you with. Me no shoot boy with one matic. When I'm done with you, you're gonna be unrecognizable. Blood clot big words. Wait. Favorite verses. Listen again.
Yo, play it.
Me no shoot boy with one matic. Dog do so quick, game 10 clip the kick.
Dog do so quick, game 10 clip fick. Watch out. Yeah, next line.
Yo, play it.
Me no shoot boy
with one matic. Dog do so quick, game 10 clip the clip. Shot crush him phone in him back pocket. Boy, me granny know him granny, so me send back the chip.
Shot crush him phone in him top pocket. You remember them shirt that we have the pocket there, so? Yeah? Shot crush him phone in him top pocket. Remember say the pocket normally the palm, the right or the left. Either way. Are your chest here right there pan. So even if it dip on your heart, or over your heart, that's even worse. Remember say the shot I fly through your fly through your shirt, fly through your phone, fly through your shirt, fly through your skin and go in your body. Yeah? Do it. Really? Shot crush him phone in him top pocket. But my granny, the only reason I get by the chip, because my granny no fee granny. So me send back the chip. Because them probably want the contact off of it. That's it.
10 clip the kick.
Shot crush him phone in him top pocket. But me granny know him granny, so me send back the chip.
Him and him phone dead, two of them a flip. Me no do boxing, what do pussy lip.
Him and him phone dead, the two of them a flip. Me no do boxing, what do pussy lip. So he must say, yo, him and him phone dead, the boy and him phone dead, cause him a flip up and a go like same hype. Remember those times was Razor phone, flip phone was running. With a Sony Ericsson, Razor, which is Motorola, or any type of flip phone there. Him and him phone, the two of them a flip. Shot crush him phone in a him top pocket. So I'm gonna know him gonna so I'm saying back the chip.
Back the chip. Him and him phone dead, two of them a flip. Me no do boxing,
what the pussy lip. When the Uzi split out your girl
pussy split. Bring a black suit and a glass seat for the trip.
When the Magnum bar.
When the Uzi split out your girl pussy split, bring a black suit and a for the trip. Where?
Uzi split out your girl pussy split. Bring a black suit and a glass seat for the trip.
Where?
When the Magnum barrel start spin
like the water in the toilet.
When the Magnum barrel starts spin like the water way in the toilet. Remember when you flush toilet? Me not talk about drop straight toilet, you know. Me not talk about outside toilet. Me talk about inside. Flush the toilet and you see the water go down so. I saw the Magnum barrel spin. What a comparison.
When the Magnum barrel starts spin,
Like the water in the toilet. Smarty have to drop anyway me style it. If you're looking for shell, you will never find it.
Smarty have to drop anywhere me style it. If you're looking for shell, you will never find it. Remember him say the Magnum, you know. Remember say the Magnum barrel spin. Remember when them gun the bus just spend shell and drop a ground. So if you're looking for shell, if the investigators found and look for shell, if try match it back with a gun, them not gonna find a shell because the shell them in the gun see me. You see me? When them done fire it, just broke it and just take them out and just load it back. No, ask me, no, let's go.
The toilet. Smarty have to drop anyway me style it. If you're looking for shell, you will
never find it.
Hey! Me head hotter than a cup of cocoa tea. Plus the electric stove we boil it.
Listen to me. You don't ever drink chocolate tea, like hot chocolate tea, Jamaican chocolate tea. We have the Heil pan top. Not oil. Heil. You never drink that tea there yet? Especially when it have the Heil on top. Are the hottest tea that you ever go find? Are the hottest tea that you ever go find? Chocolate tea with the...
I find it. Me head hotter than a cup of cocoa tea. Plus the electric stove we boil it.
Me head hotter than a cup of cocoa tea. Plus the electric stove. So not because the tea have the oil on the top and it really hot. It hot, yes, but we need to add some more hotness to it. So we have got plus the electric stove we boil it. Jesus.
I find it.
Me head hotter than a cup of cocoa tea. Plus the electric stove we boil it.
Every gun where we boss Gaza design it. If I no length set it up, we give me the 9 it.
Every gun where we boss a Gaza design it. If I no length set it up, we give me the 9 it. Custom.
Why it? Every gun where we boss Gaza design it. If I no length set it up,
We give me the 9. Not nice. Them boy they no know nothing but badness pass.
my gun make me beat it. Pass. My gun make me beat it.
If them did bad, them just did a keep it a secret pass.
My gun make me beat it. Pass. My gun make me beat it. And if a brain pon the wall, right now going to leak it. Pass. My gun make me beat it. Pass. My gun make me beat it.
Body are the last man standing. Gaza undefeated.
Pass. My gun make me beat it. Pass. My gun make me beat it.
Hey!
Yo, Pimpin.
How we name Gaza?
We name Gaza. West Bank. Miglis with it. Gaza.
West Bank.
When
Miglis.
Oh,
soul.
Out on the back.
The feelings of funeral. Israel burial. Gaza, me say.
Jamaica.
The man no gangster, something them a try. Walk pan means like a something me a buy.
With him up, don't go mad, him a try. The eagle a fly and it a peek in him eye. The boy come and tell me same tough but a lie.
Yo! Let me know which other Kartel for react to, man. Yo! Kartel have so much song. That's why I'm reacting to Kartel song over and over and over and over again. Because there's so much to go through. Telling you already. You see me? But just put in the comment section. Which song for react to again. You see me? We want throwback songs. We want all songs we want. Yeah? So I see you guys in the next one. Alright? Peace.
Jamaica's worst gamer.